Yo, what's up, fishing freaks? So we back out again, and we are at the Petaluma River, and we are gonna try and get some striper. I got all day to fish. I got some. I bought some mudsucker. I bought 2 mudsuckers from Bodega Tackle, and I bought some grass shrimp. So we're just gonna fish till probably like sunset. It's 5 o'clock. It is 10:13 right now. So yeah, we'll see if we're gonna catch any fish. As you can see, the water is pretty high. It is pretty high. We are planning, so I came out during the slack tide. The low tide's at 11:30, and we're gonna fish we're gonna target the outgoing tide, which is at from like 12 to 1, and then we're gonna keep fishing the outgoing after that. So that's the plan. I was gonna fish the incoming too, but I didn't wake up early enough, so we're just gonna do this. But yeah, let's get rigged up. So for my rig, I got a 3-ounce weight, river sinker, I think it's called, or a disc sinker, and I got a 4-aught hook, K hook. But this is for the live mudsuckers. But when I switch to the grass shrimp, I'm gonna go to the downsize to a 2-aught hook. So yeah, let's get rigged up. Bodega Tackle usually doesn't have mudsuckers. They usually only have bullheads. But the one they got me today is huge. Oh, I dropped it. Look how big this mudsucker is. Look how long it is. Oh my gosh. But yeah, we're gonna hook it from that bottom lip all the way up to the top on the side. So the cheeky part, like that. Just like that. And then let's cast it out. Oh. So I have this friendly competition starting at the beginning of the year, running this whole year, to see who can catch the biggest striper. So I'm gonna be striper fishing a lot this year, so you guys are gonna see a lot of striper fishing. Yeah. My prediction is I'm not gonna get any bites from like 10 to 12, because I noticed during slack tide they're not really in a feeding mood. But once that current starts pushing, you guys, once that current starts pushing, like dude, that's when it's gonna start. Just go wait, guys. Just wait. We're gonna get him. We're gonna get him. All right, so it's been like 40 minutes. And something's been chasing my bait. It's my Velcro's going ding 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 ding. But it's like a small striper or something messing with it. So hopefully it comes soon. Will it take it? Hell yeah. Ooh, we're on. He doesn't seem that big though. Oh my gosh. Yeah, striper. Alright, I caught like a little 17-inch striper. Look at the size of the bait compared to the striper. He He can't even fit that in his mouth probably, but we're gonna throw it back. First stripe. Well, actually, this is my first striper of the year, 17 inches. So, yeah. Calm down. All right. All right. Now we're gonna let this guy go. All right, I got my other mudsucker. He's a lot smaller than the other one, so we're gonna get this guy on, throw him out, see what we can get. And after this guy, it's all grass shrimp from here. What I noticed is during these winter months, like there's a lot less fish, but they're bigger, you know. So hopefully I'll be able to get a big striper today. So that fish bit right when the tide started going down. So right now it's like right over the peak of high tide. So it's going down right now. So looks like the fish are coming in right now. Is it red? Yeah, it's red. All right, nothing's eating the mudsucker, so. I'm gonna switch to the grass shrimp. The tide's not pushing out yet. It's not moving at all right now, but it's about to push out. It's like 30 minutes from pushing out. So I'm gonna try the grass shrimp right now, and let's see if we can get it done. Get more fish. I'm actually gonna use the same hook for the grass shrimp. We're gonna see if it works. If you guys have never seen grass shrimp, this is what they look like. These are really big. Usually I get them a lot smaller, but it doesn't really matter. The big ones are good. Then how I hook them is you go from the tail, and then you thread it all the way up to the head and point out, and then slide it back on the hook like this. A lot of people just like put them on, however, but what I've noticed is this is the best way to do it. Yeah, so for my hook, 2 fit, so this is actually a perfect size. You know what? I'm actually gonna just put a bunch of grass shrimp on my hook. I don't think I should be conservative with it because I bought a bunch. I mean, 4 ounces is like $10, and you get a lot. So I'm just gonna load it up with them. Yeah. Oh, that looks super juicy. Let's see if that works. Oh man. I totally messed that up. Oh my gosh. Alright, so as you can see, the current's ripping now. I got that really big bite that almost dragged my pole in the water, and I tripped and I couldn't yank my pole, so I lost that fish. So that's gonna be a blooper, but the current's ripping right now, so that big bite came off of that, so we'll see if we can get some more to bite. Alright, catch you guys when I catch a fish. Alright, so my cameras, I'm almost out of batteries on all my cameras, so if I catch a fish, I'll turn it on while I'm fighting the fish to save batteries. I'm at 50% on this one, and I'm at 50% on my other one, and they're all down, so yeah. So if I catch a fish, I'll catch you guys there, but it's really been really slow today. I don't know why. It is really cold out today too, so hopefully we get one more fish. I'm just hoping for one more fish. That would be nice. I'm hooked up. Caught a small one. Oh man, he's really small. Look at this guy. He's probably like 12 inches. Whoosh. A little 12-incher. Look, he has my shrimp in his mouth. We'll let him have it. Let it go. Oh, yeah. Be free. Nice. Alright, I'm gonna reel it up. I'm gonna use the rest of my bait. Throw my last cast. It's 3:30 right now. So we've been here for a while. But yeah. Alright. I'll load it up. All my bait onto the hook. That's a lot of shrimp. And we're gonna throw it out. So we're gonna leave this. Let's see, I got like 40 minutes to like 50 minutes to fish. So yeah, let's do it. I'm gonna pack it up. I was fishing since 10 o'clock and it's 4 right now, so that's 6 hours. And I haven't got any bites. It's almost sunset. I think sunset's at 5:30, so we're gonna pack it up. I usually don't have luck on the Petaluma River when it's like close to sunset. I only do good in the morning, so yeah, only 2 fish today, but at least we tried. Alright, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Hopefully I'll be out again soon. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.